All right, that's about all the time we have. I got to implore upon you, group somersault. Can you do one for me?
Yeah, no problem. I think we can do that, right? That's certainly not as graceful as it could have been. That's why we usually hesitate to do those, but
Well,
it's certainly fun to do.
I got to say, at least you're having some fun up there. You're not going to the Olympics with that. Keep the day jobs, guys, or night jobs on this mission.
Yeah, Miles, and I'll send you one of these bracelets.
I would like one. Thank you to all of you very much. Appreciate your time. I know you got a busy mission ahead. You got the spacewalk ahead. And thanks to all of you